Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Sunday, February 15th, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. In this short video, I'm going to talk to you about a beginner-friendly system that you can have set up in just minutes and why I think it's really top-notch. So I'm just going to share my screen and get right into this. I hope you're all having a great day. We've just had a lazy day here at the house today, but it's good to have those once in a while. So let me share my screen. And I put together this slideshow that'll go over everything, okay? So this system is great for newbies, all right? But really anybody can use it. And I can't guarantee you'll make any money with it because it's totally dependent on your work ethic. But I can tell you the people who join me in this and they take action, they get results, okay? So we're just going to, this is for anybody. It doesn't matter if you're looking for a business in a box or if you're, have other opportunities that you're promoting. This will help no matter what. And it'll help beginners. It'll help people who've been marketing for a long time like myself. It works for everybody if you work it. All right. But this is going to be focused on, newbie friendly people who are looking for ways to generate income from home. So the real beginner problem, all right, most beginners don't fail because they're lazy. It's just that they get overwhelmed, right? I mean, they get stopped by too much techie stuff, too many tools, too many pages they need to have open, too many instructions and things that they have to do to get set up. I mean, I can speak of this because I've been in opportunities where the setup process is absolutely overwhelming for anybody, all right? Unless you're somebody who has been doing this a very long time and knows exactly how to set every single aspect up of a home-based business. It can be very overwhelming. And a lot of people, when they get into programs like that and they see all the techie things that they have to do in order to get their system up and operating, they just quit. They just quit. And it's really not failure. It's just that they just get overwhelmed, right? And I've been in opportunities like that before where it's incredibly difficult just to set up the system before you can even start sharing and making money. So that's the real beginner problem, in my opinion. So setup speed matters because if it's too hard for people to start, people quit, right? If it's too hard to start, people quit. So that's why I like the system a lot, is because you can literally have this up and running in under 5 minutes. So it removes that barrier and you don't have to worry about people who join quitting because it literally takes less than 5 minutes to get set up. Now, simple doesn't mean lazy. Simple systems create consistent action. All right. And clarity beats complexity every single time. So when you have a simple system that does all the selling and telling and follow up for you like this system does, it's duplicatable for everybody. Meaning it doesn't matter. You don't have to be, a veteran work from home person. You can be somebody brand new that's never done anything before in the work from home space. Get set up in under 5 minutes and have a system that literally does all the selling, telling, follow up for you, everything. Right? You just have to drive traffic to your link that you get, and we show you how to do that. Very, very simple to do. Very duplicatable. So what's already done for you? You're going to get the training that you need. You're going to get the tools that you need. You're going to get the structure that you need. A community of like-minded people. When I say that this opportunity is top-notch, I truly mean that. All right? I truly mean that. It has everything you need to be successful. And it doesn't matter if you are brand new, never done anything online before, or if you've been doing this a long time like I have. It doesn't matter if you're looking for a complete business in a box, because that's what this system is. And it doesn't matter if you already have other opportunities that you're promoting. It will help that too. All right. It's just an all-around amazing opportunity. And I stand behind it 1,000%. So you get step-by-step guidance. All right, you're shown exactly what to do next. And it's broken down so that anybody can understand it. It's actionable steps that anybody can do. And once you're in it and once you see how simple this is, you're going to agree with me that this is top notch. All right? So skills over shortcuts. Skills compound, hype doesn't. This teaches real marketing skills that you can use anywhere. Okay, like I said, it doesn't matter if you're brand new looking for an opportunity, or if you're somebody who has other opportunities that you're looking to grow. This will help you. This will help you. You get everything you need. There's no guessing, no wondering what comes next. Everything step by step. You get all the skills and training that you need in order to build a work from home empire. But again, I can't guarantee your results. They're totally dependent on your work ethic. So if you come in here thinking that this is a get rich overnight opportunity, that's not what this is. All right. This is a system that takes out all of the techie work for you and all of the headaches to where you just go and share a link and drive traffic to that link, and the system takes over and does everything for you. Okay. We even have AI that will assist and help close sales on your behalf. Okay. I mean, it really is incredible. It really, really is incredible. So this is why it works so well for beginners. It's low tech. There's a clear path. You get real support. Okay. Which is huge. And this is why people stick with this company and opportunity. All right. When I say you get real support, I mean you get real support. You have transparent owners that show up every single day, that are in the back office, in the community, answering questions, helping out, doing trainings, having support calls. They do it all. And not only the owners, but the other members who are part of this. I mean, it's a real community. Okay. It's a real community. Like, if you're serious about looking for a way to supplement or replace your income from home, this is it. You just have to show up and put in the work. It's easy to start and it's built to grow. So if you want to learn more and see our system in action, visit workwithruss.com. Okay, it's easy to start, it's built to grow. And if you're looking for something simple that actually teaches you and shows you exactly what to do step by step, visit workwithruss.com. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you this. After you join, we do have a 3-day money back guarantee. And after you join, there's going to be a 4-minute video that shows you exactly how to set everything up. It literally takes less than 5 minutes, including the 4-minute video. You're going to get your personal link to start sharing immediately. You're going to access our Fast Start video, which shows you how to get your first 2 signups. And once you do that, you're in profit. All right. And then you can drop a high into our community and be welcomed by real members who care about what it is you're doing. We're all on the same path here. We're like-minded individuals looking to build empires from home. So you're going to have a support group, the training, a system that is top-notch, a company and opportunity that is beyond exceptional, okay? And if you put in the work, you can easily supplement or replace your income with this opportunity. All right? I can't guarantee it. Like I said, it's totally dependent on your work ethic. But there's some opportunities out there where you need 1,000 people just to make $10,000 a month. What if I told you 20 people in this opportunity replaces most people's full-time income? It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. But that is it for this video. Okay. Just if you want to learn more about it, go to workwithruss.com. Check it out. Of course, you can always reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. And let me know what you think. Okay. Let me know what you think. But to me, it's just a great opportunity. And, I use this platform to build other opportunities that I'm in. And it's a whole another income stream for me. Okay. So it's perfect. It's as close to perfect as you can get when it comes to work from home opportunities. Okay. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.